What's up, everybody? It's Nate with Sonic Electronix. I'm standing with Jason, the VP of R&D and integration at Metra. Metra's been around for years. You guys always probably know about the harnesses, the steering wheel interfaces, and all other types of stuff to make your vehicle communicate with the rest of the audio equipment that you add. But I'm gonna tell you something, these guys have been working in the background in stealth mode on all of these really cool audio kits. We've already done a couple of videos if you're on our YouTube channel with the Ford and the Tacoma. This is a Jeep Gladiator. It's probably the most complex, if you will, and complete out of the bunch because it requires a little bit additional installation, but the end result is phenomenal and it's still DIY, and Jason's gonna tell you all about that. So Jason, take it away.
I appreciate it. So we're excited about it. I mean, Jeep is always, it's a Jeep thing, right? Everybody knows about the Jeep thing, and it was our job to make sure that we had the Gladiator covered. So we've been shipping the Wrangler kit for a little while now. And the only difference really between the two is the enclosure. So we came out, built a custom enclosure for a 12-inch woofer, ported, that goes underneath the rear seat of the Gladiator. So it fits perfectly. It snugs right into the actual locators in the bottom of the floor there. And everything that they need to install this system is included in the kit, from the cut-in grills to the speaker pods behind the grills to the top of the dash here where we have aftermarket grills to allow the tweeter to really produce as much sound as possible. The amp installation is done underneath both seats, so driver and passenger seats have amplifiers underneath it. It's tuned out of the box, so it really makes the installation easy. Now, I say easy for an experienced technician. Somebody that isn't experienced, I would say probably 8 to 9 hours installation time should be dedicated to this, because there's some extra requirements.
But you're getting, and you're also getting, though, with Metra, you're getting a full step-by-step guide, so anybody can technically do it. If you follow along the instructions, you read the manual, you can do it.
Absolutely.
At the end of the day, it's what I've prided the business on at Sonic. It's giving a DIY option for you guys, so you don't have to necessarily spend additional money on labor. Money is tight out there, and at the end of the day, even if you're a Jeep owner, if you can save some money and do it yourself, get your hands a little bit dirty, this is gonna give you an audio upgrade that's unbelievable. I was in here demoing it already. Unreal sound quality. You got that DSP built in. Where do you guys put the DSP on this unit?
So in this particular one, we're actually using the Vibe DSP.
So it's built into the amp?
It's built into the amp.
Oh man, that's awesome, even better.
So it's you know, again, we really take our time. We make sure it's tuned for most optimal sound output.
And how many hours do you guys think you have into this project to make sure the audio is just right for the end user?
Like the Ford, like the other kits that we have, 30 hours of tuning.
Just the acoustics tuning, not the actual R&D and the cutouts and the amp racks and the mounting positions and where to bolt things. That's just the final touch is over 30 hours. So that saves you a lot of time, because out in that manual and in those instruction steps I was talking about, they're gonna give you the specifics to where you set your amps and everything's set up, the DSP's done, ready to go, right?
Everything's done.
So that's amazing. Thank you so much. Jason, it's been great seeing you. Have a wonderful show.
Thank you.